Morning mga kabarli, isa na naman pong Santi Barley story ang i-share ko sa inyo. Let's go!
Siya po ay si Nova Mangis, 38 years old, from New Bohol, New Corella, Tagum, Davao. Sila po ay 10 years nang married pero hindi pa nagkakaanak. Dahil po sa problema na kulang po ang mga cell count nila. Pero good news, 6 month taking Santi Barley juice a day, ito na po, may kambal na sila. Pero, why Santi Barley in good for sexual impotence and infertility? Plain po natin. Sexual impotence, barley contains arginine in high amounts which can significantly improve sexual performance for men and women. Due to the presence arginine, it's produce nitric oxide which is responsible for penile erection and can correct 90% of all penile dysfunction. Infertility, barley is good for the treatment of sterility of men and women because of the presence of arginine, which increase sperm and egg cell production of motility. Hindi ko natatagalugin na, i-google nyo na lang.
Isa na naman pong Santi Barley story ang na-share natin ngayong araw. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig, sa mga na-inspire na motivate at gusto na rin simulan yung journey nila ng Santi Barley. Ilalagay ko po sa caption ng video na to yung link kung saan ka legit na makakabili ng Santi Barley. Thank you po and God bless!